most colorful one, like a dream.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jenny and I'm a mom of 3. My hope is that you'll leave my channel feeling renewed both in your mind and in your spirit to face whatever work is ahead of you this week. My house isn't always clean, but I find that when I take the time to take care of the things that I've been given, I feel calmer and I experience more gratitude in general. And if you are new here, please say hello in the comments. My favorite part of YouTube is getting to know you guys through our conversations. Now, right now I'm cleaning during Alex's nap. Alex is my youngest, he's 15 months old, and whenever I clean during a nap, I always pick one thing in my mind that would be the most important thing to make sure you get done, because there's no guarantee how long he'll sleep. So my one thing today is the floors. I know it's hard to tell on camera, but my floors are very dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that no matter what I do, I get the floors. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and dust off all my surfaces, and meanwhile, I'm gonna show you guys some of my winter decor that's out. And after that, I'm gonna make sure and get those floors done, hopefully before he wakes up.
Don't scare you too much, babe. I wish to flatter.
And I am lighting Winter White Woods, which has notes of dried cedarwood bark and spiced sandalwood. And today I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner in the Iowa pine scent, and that way I can just move quickly from room to room without changing cleaners.
I confess, I let you in on everything, even the fact that I'm upset.
And now I'm lighting Winter, which has notes of pine needles, sparkling clementine, and spiced clove. I love to light candles after I clean a room because it makes me feel like the room is finished and ready to enjoy. And I like to keep my decor very simple and interchangeable, so to go from Christmas to winter, I changed out all my red holly berries to these white winter berries. And all my greenery stayed up, and anything with red in it went away and was replaced with white. So that is how I usually will decorate for winter, and it's just a really simple, minimal, kind of elegant to me way to decorate going from Christmas to winter. And here I replaced these ribbons on my trees. They were red and white candy cane ribbons, and I just replaced them with the champagne color ribbon to neutralize everything for winter. And now I'm heading into the family room, and I'm going to give the sofa a nice refresh, fluff up the pillows, fix the throws, and just get it all ready and straightened up. And this is my little reading area, a little corner in the family room that I like to come to sometimes. It's where I have my morning coffee and devotional, and then it's where I do some reading sometimes in the afternoon, or sometimes if I want to journal, I go ahead and sit here and work on my journal. So this is kind of like mom's corner, and so I like to have a little coaster here for my coffee and make it all cozy like.
Tall grass sing songs and trees play a symphony. Imagine what we could do. Happy days be our guest. Happy days manifest. Let's stand together. Put a smile on our faces. Fill us up with your grace and make us better.
And here on the coffee table, we just have a simple green wreath with the white winter berries and just a vanilla candle. And over here by the TV, I just have a picture of Noelle when she was 3, and then on the other side, a picture of Nathan when he was 3 months. And I like to put pictures of the big kids out from when they were a baby, and that reminds me that they were little at one time too, and that baby Alex is gonna grow up before I know it, and so I need to hold on to these moments. And I'm going to light Snow Mountain Lodge, which has notes of smoked embers, silver pine, and sandalwood. And here again, I've just changed out the red and white ribbon for the champagne colored ribbon. Just an easy way to change over from Christmas to winter.
Make us better, dress us for all weather.
And at this point, as you can see, the baby woke up from his nap and I hadn't gotten a chance to sweep and mop yet, but it was not a big deal at all because he loves to sit in his high chair and eat his snacks, and as long as he's in the same room with me where I can watch him, he's perfectly happy to sit there and enjoy his snacks. And we were listening to our favorite playlist right now, which is the Disney playlist on Amazon Echo, and we had a nice time together just listening to music, and he liked watching me clean, so I'm really glad he enjoyed it.
We don't need to rush ahead or get too mad. Ooh, you persist fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying sane.
I'm curious, let me know in the comments if you guys have like certain cleaning routines that you do, or do you just do like all of your cleaning in one day, like a massive clean, or do you like to kind of break it up and do a little bit each day? How do you guys like to clean your homes? Let me know.
You're so carefree.
Alex has been so cute lately. He always wants mama kisses, and that's kind of a new thing. He goes back and forth between myself and my husband, who's his favorite. Sometimes it's all daddy and sometimes it's all mommy, and he is definitely in a mommy mood mostly during the day. At night, he always wants daddy though.
We know lovers, we know pain. You're like a Willis, your ball and chain. You set that fire into motion. You can move oceans. You can move oceans. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Ooh, you possess fire. You hold rain, but you forget about staying sane.
My parents got Alex a Thomas the Train table for Christmas, and so I'm just moving it out of the way so that I can vacuum this other area rug. And so far I am absolutely loving my O-Cedar spin mop. I find that it's extremely easy to use and it gets the floors very clean with just water, and then I add a few squirts of my Method Squirt and Mop wood floor cleaner in the almond scent, and I'm really loving it. And so I have hardwood floors, so you don't want to put a lot of water on these hardwood floors. I find that pumping the pedal 10 times is the perfect amount to get the mop squeezed out enough to do my hardwood floors without them getting oversaturated with water. So if you guys have hardwood floors and use the O-Cedar mop, try doing 10 pumps and seeing how it works for you. And I have to say, I found it ironic that the song from Cinderella came on while I was doing the floors, and she was saying that even the clock bosses her around, just like her evil stepmother and stepsisters, and it made me just pause and be grateful that I get to clean my home and actually enjoy cleaning it, and I do it freely, not because I'm a slave to my wicked stepmother and stepsisters. I get to do it just because I love bringing my family joy and giving them a nice, calm and clean environment for us to make memories in. And I hope this video inspires you in some small way to clean your way to calm and bring that calm and clean environment to yourself and your family. And trust me, nobody's house is perfect. My house isn't perfect. Probably 30 minutes after I film this video, it'll be a total wreck again, but that's okay because that's life, and that's how memories are made and how laughter is found is through messing everything up. But it's also great to bring it all back to balance and clean it all once again so that the messes can be made again. And so thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful for all of you. And please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. And I'll see you guys on the next one.